saying is worth a shot.
No, I don't think my mom meant the bird when she said there was a sale on kiwis.
I'd say it's a 50-50 chance, really.
Whatever, just don't get your hopes up.
Hey, the door's locked.
No, it's not. I just unlocked it.
I'm pretty sure you didn't.
No, you'd probably just pulled it at the same time I pressed it. Okay, I'll do it again.
It is still locked.
Okay, stop! Look, I'm gonna count down from 3. When I get to 1, I'm gonna press the button.
Yes.
Don't pull the handle when I say 1. Okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. What did I just say?
I'm sorry, it's kind of impossible to not do something at the end of a countdown, you know?
Okay. You're gonna pull the handle when I say 1. Do the countdown again.
Okay.
Good.
I pull it at the end of the countdown.
Yes.
Okay. That makes sense.
3, 2. No. What did you just do?
I'm sorry, I heard the noise and I panicked. There was a counting.
I swear to God, I will turn this car around right now.
We're not even in the car.
And whose fault is that?
The cars?
Back up.
What?
I said back up.
Go! Sure, I'm going. Further. Further?
Further.
Okay.
Further.
Is that good? Perfect!
Hello.
I'm done.
Wait, what about the kiwis?